Hello, it's me again, Teacher Mel. Welcome to English class. So to start with our lesson for today, let's have first the vocabulary of the day. The vocabulary of today is which. Which. Let's spell together. W H I C H. Which. Which. Again. W H I C H. Which. Which. Meaning, it is used for asking information specifying one or more people or things or animals from a definite set. Again, used to ask information specifying one or more people or things or animals from a definite set. Okay, now let's have an example sentence. Which is smaller? A cat or a mouse? Which is smaller? A cat or a mouse? And now it's time for our lesson. So as I've mentioned from the previous video, that we will have another set of sentence structure. So let's try to review first the vocabulary that we have last time. Okay, so we have the comparative and the superlative. So these are the adjective words to describe the animals. Okay, it's about comparing animals. It is a continuation from the previous topic. So let's review first the vocabulary words. So we have fast, faster, fastest. Again, fast, faster, fastest. Next, slow, slower, slowest. Slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Remember, we use ER to have to compare two things. But if we compare more than two, we use the superlative EST. Okay, so we will add the word with ER or EST. Okay, it's time for our sentence structure. So in this sentence structure, we are going to ask and answer. So there is a question and the answer. So we use the comparative. So we use ER, okay? Because we are going to compare two animals only in this sentence structure. So let's have the question. So the question is like this. Which is faster? A rabbit or a gazelle? Which is faster? A rabbit or a gazelle? And we answer, a gazelle is faster than a rabbit. A gazelle is faster than a rabbit. Okay, we use than because we compare the rabbit and the gazelle. So, a gazelle is faster than a rabbit. Understand? So, let's have another question. Which is smaller? A cat or a mouse? Which is smaller? A cat or a mouse? And the correct answer is a mouse is smaller than a cat. A mouse is smaller than a cat. Okay, now this time we have another question. We use the superlative. So this time we are not going to use two animal name, but we ask directly among all the animals. So we are going to ask like this. So we have fast, faster, and fastest. So we will put three animals. So we have a rabbit, a gazelle, and a cheetah. Again, we have a rabbit, a gazelle, and a cheetah. Now, I will ask a question. Among these three animals, which is the fastest animal? Okay? Among these three animals, which is the fastest? So the answer is, the cheetah is the fastest animal. Okay? Again, let's ask question. Among these three animals, which is the fastest? And the answer is, the cheetah is the fastest. The cheetah is the fastest. Very easy, right? So do not forget, we have the sentence pattern. For asking using comparative, so we have the sentence pattern like which is plus comparative words, or we have the adjective plus er, that is comparative words. Then the name of the animal. So two names of animals. So example, which is faster, a horse or a cheetah. Okay, so that is when you ask a question using the comparative. Alright, and the answer for that is we have the name of the animals and the comparative word, which is using er, adjective plus er, and then. Do not forget to put then. Faster than, slower than, smaller than, bigger than, and the name of the animal that you compare. So that is for the comparative. And for the superlative, so we have the sentence pattern. The sentence pattern for superlative is we have which is plus the superlative word. You can say which is the fastest, which is the smallest, which is the biggest, which is the slowest animal, or you can say thing or another noun. So animals. We use animals because we compare animals, alright? And then the answer for the superlative, we have the name of the animals. You can say cheetah is the fastest animal. Okay? So that is when you answer using the superlative question. Okay? So it's really quite easy. Now, did you know about the question and answer? I want you to answer your book on page 55. Okay, this book, this is your Smart English, page 55. Alright, so you are going to write or fill in the blank, okay, using the adjective words. We have fast, faster, fastest. We have slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay? I hope you learned something about this video and see you again on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and keep safe everyone. Okay? Do not forget to answer your book. Bye-bye!